Hello everyone, welcome to the Product Slider Pro plugin video tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you how to configure the WooCommerce On Sale and Out of Stock ribbon. Make sure that the Product Slider Pro plugin is installed and activated into your site. You can directly click on Add New, or you can click All Sliders and then click Add New to create a new shortcut and give it a title. Below that you will find several configuration tabs to create and customize your product showcase. WooCommerce allows us to display product badges or ribbons to improve the user experience. Product Slider plugin allows you to configure the on sale and out of stock ribbon to give it a better look. Basically, on sale products indicates the discounted products available on your store, and out of stock means the product is no longer available for purchase. Let's see how the display in the live preview. Click show preview and you can see this is how the on sale badge display and this is the out of stock ribbon. Let's see from here you can customize it. Go to the display options and scroll down a bit to find the on sale and out of stock ribbon properties. Here you can show or hide them, change the on sale label and background color. Let's change the on sale label to 50% and set the color to this one. Now update the preview again and you can see the changes are showing in the slider. You can do the same for the out of stock ribbon as well. There is another interesting thing you would love to do, and that is that you can change the font family for the on sale and out of stock ribbon. Isn't it awesome? Go to the typography and scroll down a bit to find the on sale and out of stock ribbon properties. Here you go. Let's change the out of stock ribbon font family. So before that, enable it or turn on this option and then set the font family as per your need. So I'm going to set a simple font family to Roboto, then Italic. Now update the preview and you can see the out of stock ribbon font properties has been changed. That's all about configuring on sale and out of stock ribbon. In the next video I'll come up with another amazing feature of the plugin. Until then, take care.